Let's start off by soaking 3/4 cup of soya chunks in some hot water. Add half a teaspoon of salt into the water and stir it well. Keep this aside for 15 to 20 minutes. The soya chunks grow in size and become moist. Meanwhile, wash and soak 2 cups of rice for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are done, squeeze excess water from the chunks and transfer these to a bowl. Keep this aside. Now into a vessel, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the flame be on a medium. Then add 4 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks and a bay leaf. Fry this for a while. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Roast them till they splutter. Then add in 2 onions that are sliced. Saute till the onions turn pink in color. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this well. The pungent odor of the paste should disappear. Then add 2 handfuls of mint or pudina leaves, followed by 2 tomatoes that are chopped. I've added 1 tomato now and the other a while later. Stir and let it cook till the tomatoes soften. Add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. These help soften the tomatoes faster. Stir well. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add the soaked soya chunks along with half a cup of beans, 1/4 cup of peas and a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Toss all of this well. Meanwhile, drain the water from the rice and then add it to the vessel. Gently mix this till it combines well with the masala. Now add water that is double the quantity of the rice added. I'm pouring in 4 cups of water. Then add some salt and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and give it a stir to distribute the masala evenly. Then close the lid and let this cook for 10 minutes over medium flame. Then switch off the flame and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before removing the lid. Mix it gently and your pulao is ready. But what's pulao without some raita to accompany it? So now let's make some raita. Into a vessel, add a cup of curd or yogurt, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber, onions and tomatoes, and 1 small green chilli that is chopped. Mix all of this. Then add around 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Give this a good mix. And lo, your raita is also ready to be served. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious soya pulao with some raita.